Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laptop stands that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the iQnix aluminum ventilated stand. Perfect your posture and work without fatigue with the iQnix laptop tray. Pleasing to the eye of a minimalist as well as to the pocket, this stand has been reinforced to be durable, reliable, and ever so user-friendly. The L-shaped frame construction not only brings your devices a better cooling experience but also provides users with an ideal viewing angle of 16 degrees, which helps to better one's posture and prevents straining of the eyes and body. Anti-slip silicone pads keep your laptop in place, while softer hooks ensure that surfaces remain free from scuffs and scratches. Since it's relatively large, this solid piece supports all tablets and laptops up to 17 inches. Moving on at number 4, we have the Soundance laptop stand. If you struggle with neck and shoulder pain, the Soundance laptop stand is a great option. Its ergonomic design elevates your computer screen by 6 inches, looking out for your comfort so you can focus on work. In terms of construction, the Soundance stand is made from aluminum alloy that is resistant to rust, meaning that this stand can last you for a very long time while still maintaining its sleek appearance. You'll also like that it is universally compatible with all laptops between 10 to 15.6 inches. This portable stand incorporates an open-air design that allows natural air to continuously cool your laptop to prevent overheating, and it includes plenty of space underneath, which is perfect for you to place a detachable wireless keyboard. This awesome laptop elevator also comes with a rubber protector underneath to ensure that your laptop remains in place. This also goes a long way to protect your desk or countertop from any damage. The Soundance stand also allows for cable management thanks to the space underneath, so you can easily keep your cable neatly out of the way to avoid distractions and keep a clutter-free workspace. At number 3, we have the Stelko MacBook Pro stand. The most compact laptop stand you'll ever come across, the Stelko MacBook X stand is the perfect portable adjustable stand. This top laptop is made from lightweight aluminum that not only makes it rust-proof but also contributes to its lightweight nature. The Stelko computer riser is small and folds up even smaller, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It should be able to fit in just about any laptop bag. As the name implies, this stand has been designed to work best with Apple MacBooks. However, it still works well with other laptop brands. It can comfortably accommodate any laptop between 12 and 17 inches. If you struggle with your laptop overheating on your desk or your lap, this little device here can solve that issue for you, as it's designed to minimize overheating and improve airflow to ensure that your laptop remains cool. Best of all, it's adjustable to ensure your eyes are at the same level as your screen. The only minor complaint we have? Its rubber feet don't do the greatest job at keeping the lap desk from moving. Still, they do a decent job. At number 2, we have the MOFT laptop stand. When it comes to sleek and attractive designs, the MOFT laptop stand takes the cake. This stand comes in various colors, including starry gray, our favorite, black, and blue, so it's pretty much guaranteed to complement any space. This raised laptop stand sports a slim construction that measures a mere 1/9 of an inch thick. Slim and compact, this stand sticks to the bottom of your device so that when your laptop is closed, it looks like there are no attachments. But when it is open, you can easily lift your PC with the stand underneath it. The good thing about this is that you never need to carry your laptop and your stand as separate items, since this MOFT stand allows them to be one. And if you ever want to detach the stand, it's as easy as peeling it off. In terms of construction, this model is built with PU and fiberglass, so even though it's lightweight, it's quite sturdy. This affordable laptop stand features a patented ergonomic design and 2 height settings of 2 and 3 inches. On the downside, it's not suitable for larger laptops. It can support all brands but only up to 15.6 inches. so be sure to always have it in your laptop backpack wherever you go. And finally at number 1, we have the Aventry Adjustable Laptop Stand. Never mind working from the comfort of your own home. With the Aventry Adjustable Laptop Table you can work from the comfy confines of your very own bed. This versatile lap desk can simply be placed onto any flat surface and you're good to go. As one of the most positively reviewed ergonomic workstations available, this nifty laptop accessory does not only look pretty, but it also does a pretty good job at safely cradling a laptop at one's preferred laptop height and angle too. With adjustable height level and tilt settings, you can sit, stand or even lounge around as you sift through your tasks, all while keeping muscle spasms at bay. Once your work is done, convert the table into a dining tray or place a book onto the surface for some relaxed reading. For more great laptop accessories, check out our guide to the best laptop cooling pads.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.